Hi everyone, welcome to Gym Solutions. So will be the course overview, like what we are going to learn from this course. Okay, this will be the complete digital marketing course. So let's have a look at the syllabus, like what we will learn. There will be 8 modules there. The 8 chapter will be there. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. All are the different chapter. The first chapter will be like SEO. SEO. In that SEO we will discuss about introduction to SEO. On page, these are the type of the SEO. After that we will go through the tools. After that we will go to the indexing API, page speed insight, and also the GT matrix. There will be multiple lessons in the chapter, right? So the next topic will be the search engine marketing. In the search engine marketing, we will discuss about mainly Google Ads and Facebook Ads. We will discuss two tools. The first one is the Google Ads. The second one is the Facebook Ads. After that, the third chapter will be social media marketing. In the social media marketing, we will discuss like how can you create the account on the social media, how can you promote the social media account from the low level to the high level. Okay. After that we will discuss in this how to make the reels, how to make the post, how to research for the caption, for the hashtag, all the things we will discuss in this course. After that the email marketing will be there. And that email marketing we will see about the deliverability, email, how to write the email content, how to acquire the customer, how to, like in this we will discuss about the complete thing, how you will create the contact list, how will you create the campaign, how will you send the emails to the emails. Okay, how you can create the different template for different product or services. In this video we will discuss also about the automation, like how the automation works. In the automation, suppose person A is there, person A order like the cost is the 299, so automatically mail will be sent like you get a 10% off on your flat next order. So this kind of the automation we will go through, like the how we can create this kind of the automation. After that we will discuss about the inbound marketing. What is the inbound marketing? Basically, in this inbound marketing we will discuss like how the customer will come to us. In the inbound marketing we will discuss like how the customer will reach out to us. We are not going to the customer will come to us. It can be through the Facebook ads, it can be through the website, it can be through the SEO, it can be through the social media marketing. Anyway, the method can be any, but in this we will discuss like how the customer can come to us. After that the web analytics part is there. In the web analytics part we will discuss about like the Google's analytics, Google search console, and this kind of things, like how can you track the users, how the users is behaving on our website, how the users, from where the user is coming on our social media platform, on our website. All the things we will discuss in the web analytics part. After that Facebook marketing is there. This are the Facebook ads, like this part is there. Other digital marketing, in this we discuss like how you can create the affiliate marketing, content marketing, programmatic marketing, integrated digital marketing strategy. So there are the multiple chapters that will come throughout the course. The main part of the course, like the main topic we will cover in this course, the first one is the search engine optimization. The second one is the social media marketing. After that we go to the Facebook ads and Google ads. This will be the main fourth chapter of this course, and this fourth chapter will cover the entire these things, right? So now the question is like how can I access the video, what this course includes. So this course include the recorded lecture. With the recorded lecture you will get live doubt session, like if you have any kind of the question you can ask with us for the duration of the 3 months. A certificate upon completion, question and answer session, the comprehensive curriculum is there, lecture notes will be given to you, assignment will be given to you, online community is there where you can talk to each other, ask the question, ask the doubt. Content is updated, quiz and assessment you will given, career guidance session will also provided with the course. Network opportunity is there, like if you will go to the online community, so from there you can talk to each other for any query, any suggestion, career suggestion. LMS access will be there where you can see all the videos, notes and other things. Quiz will be there to every topic. LMS access cost validity will be for the 1 year. Google GMB cheat sheet, SEO cheat sheet, Facebook ads cheat sheet, social media marketing cheat sheet, social media marketing content calendar format, course language. This course will be in English, Hindi plus English. Both language will be covered. After that, this total will be 35 hour plus hour of lecture will be there. Theoretical and practical section both will be there. Like firstly we will discuss about in the theory, after that we will discuss in practical. So now the question is like, how can I access the quiz, how can I access the videos? So here you can see that there are multiple topics. All the topics will be related to like this. When you click on any topic, suppose this is what is digital marketing and its key component. So when you click on this, the video will be there. When you click on the video will be play. Okay. And after that, if you go scroll, the notes will be there, like the written what we will discuss in the video, all the notes will be provided to you here. After that, the second part, if you want to this topic, like what is digital marketing and its key component, if you want to attempt the quiz of this topic, so you have to click on this. The previous attempt will be there, like whatever the attempt you have made. So you have to click on the start quiz. You can give this quiz infinite time, multiple times. What is digital marketing? So you have to select the question roughly just for. So you can see that on 24 July we have submitted a quiz. When you click on the details part, you will see the complete details, like the first question, second question, the given what you have given in the answer, what is the correct answer. So in this way you can access the course content, videos and quiz. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.